Sean Combs, widely known in the entertainment world as a rapper, producer, and business executive, has recently been named in a civil lawsuit that has drawn significant public attention due to the seriousness of its claims and the language alleged within the filing. According to the lawsuit, an individual claims that Combs sexually assaulted him during a private encounter and later attempted to prevent him from speaking publicly or pursuing legal action. The plaintiff alleges that this silence was enforced through intimidation, including a statement that referenced the late rapper Tupac Shakur. The phrase cited in media coverage suggests that Combs implied potential harm by invoking Tupac's name, a reference that carries heavy cultural and emotional weight given the rapper's unsolved 1996 murder. It is important to clarify that the lawsuit does not accuse Combs of any involvement in Tupac Shakur's death, nor has any court ever made such a finding. Instead, the plaintiff claims the reference was used symbolically as a threat meant to instill fear. From a legal standpoint, this allegation exists solely within a civil complaint, which represents one party's claims and has not yet been tested through evidence, cross-examination, or judicial review. Civil lawsuits differ from criminal cases in that they seek monetary damages or legal remedies rather than criminal punishment, and the burden of proof is lower. As such, allegations alone do not establish facts. Combs, identified legally as Sean Combs, has denied the accusations through his legal representatives, who maintain that the claims are false and that he intends to defend himself vigorously. They argue that the lawsuit is part of a broader pattern of unproven allegations and emphasize that Combs has not been convicted of any crime related to these claims. The case also highlights broader issues often discussed in high-profile civil litigation, including power imbalances in the entertainment industry, the challenges accusers say they face when coming forward, and concerns about reputational harm when allegations circulate before court rulings are made. Media coverage of the lawsuit has varied in tone, with some outlets focusing on the most dramatic language in the filing, while others stress the importance of presumption of innocence and due process. As the legal process moves forward, potential outcomes could include dismissal, settlement, or trial, though many civil cases are resolved before reaching a courtroom. Until a court evaluates the evidence and issues a ruling, the claims remain allegations rather than established facts. Understanding this case therefore requires careful distinction between what has been alleged and what has been legally proven, and an awareness that final conclusions can only be drawn through the judicial process, not through headlines or public speculation.